Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna be trying out this bedhead. Okay, this is a 3-barrel wave affair. Girl, I've been seeing this all over Ulta, and this is a little bit pricey. This is around 50 bucks, but I got it for I think 20 something dollars. It's a great buy. Okay, this here is from Amazon, and it's the best time to try it out with this to see how it holds with weaves, because my hair is natural. There's no way this could hold my hair. Okay, now with the reviews, like, not looking too good, girl. The reviews are bad. 128 reviews, and a lot of them are bad, but we'll see if I like. Really pretty. I love the ombre color, like, girl, really cute. Up to 410. This is the highest I said. I don't know if you guys could see it, but maybe you could see it from over here. The knobs is like right here. Just press it on and off, and high and low. Okay, and this is the best time for me to do this because I didn't want to try it out with any hair that I tried out in the past. Okay, so this is a Brazilian 4x4 lace wig, pre-plucked, bleach, knots, 24-inch natural black, and the density is 180. This is the wig. Okay, really nice. Oh, let's see. Nice. Yeah, this is a little bit too small for my head, so I probably will pin it on the side just to make it fit my head. But this looks really nice. Even though it says that it's human hair, sometimes, you know, you could burn it because it's not like 100%. So I'm gonna do one piece. I'm gonna turn my head like this. So this is gonna take a while because I gotta have to like keep it there for it to take the heat. So this is it, guys. Like, I tried my best to curl this thing. When I was doing the top, I realized that I wanted a side part, so I did the front different. When you open the hair out, you kind of lose a little bit of the curls, like this right here. It don't look bad, okay? I really do like this. It's a little bit hot, so I don't want to like put it close to my face. I like the fact that it's big, so I don't have to be here all day. But I still do like the curls. Like, they look really nice. I don't really think that it's gonna last all day because you need something to hold the curls, okay? I'm not sure like for natural hair, but I'm just talking about people who like wearing weave, like myself. At first I showed you guys how it looked before I spray it. Girl, you need something to hold these curls. So this is the best spray that I'm going to recommend, and this is the only spray that I use for my hair, okay? This is from Bedhead and TIGI. And this is the extra hold version. Ulta don't carry these anymore, but I believe Amazon has them. I'm gonna put it down below for you guys if you want to get it. I bought this at Ulta and they had a great deal at the time I got this, but the original price is around $40, I think. If I'm wrong, I'll, you know, put it down below so you guys can take a look. But if you're looking for something like this, get it. I love the ombre in the bottom, and it's actually from the same brand, okay? That's why I wanted to use this same brand. If you want your curls to hold throughout the day, you have to put more spray. I just put a little bit because, girl, I'm not going anywhere, and when I'm done with this video, I just take this wig off, okay? I don't like this little piece here, but girl, I keep fighting with this little piece here, but it's okay. I'm just gonna leave it like that. But girl, I love this wig as well. This wig is really nice. I just experienced a little bit of shedding when I cut the lace off, but it holds the curls really good. Really, really pretty. I love this. Okay, it's so pretty. And girl, as always, my lashes is not stick down, girl. You know how that goes. Like, I'm so over it right now. But I will have all the information down below if you guys want to get the wig and the curling iron. I'll have everything down below for you guys. So I like side part. This is what I go for. I feel like side part looks a little more better on my face. If this is your first time here, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and also hit the notification bell so when I upload videos, girl, you will be notified. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.